guys, it's Jen with the Swizzle Sisters podcast, and I'm here to show you how to make the delicious Black River Punch. So this drink requires crushed ice. I don't have an ice machine, so I make my own by putting ice cubes in a reusable vinyl pouch. Make sure it's sealable. You can also use a Ziploc bag, but I prefer something that's reusable. You can use the flat end of a meat cleaver, and voila, you have crushed ice. So for this drink, it requires a lot of ice. I'm using a highball glass, and I'm filling it about 3/4 full with the crushed ice. And then the rest of the ice I'm going to use to shake my drink. So I'm going to use another chunk of that ice to put in my glass shaker to put the alcohol in and mix it up and make sure it's nice and cold. This drink, you're going to make sure that you're not straining it. You're actually pouring the whole contents of the ice and the alcohol in the drink. So you need black tea. Make sure you steep it early and let it cool down to room temperature before you put it in your tin or your glass. Especially glass, because it could break your glass if it's hot. First ingredient is Smith & Cross rum. Yummy, you guys. It's definitely a must-have if you're a rum lover. Next, you're going to add falernum, another must-have for your tiki bar. Next ingredient is allspice dram, which is also called pimento dram. You might see it in some recipe books. I made this one myself. You can make it yourself too. We'll have a YouTube video on that soon. Freshly squeezed lemon juice with my fancy juicer. Rebecca did a YouTube video on juicers. Make sure you check that out on her YouTube channel. Some Demerara syrup. I made this as well. Easy to make. Check out the YouTube video on that as well. Make sure you shake it up good in your tin and pour the whole contents, including the ice, into your glass. And enjoy, guys. It's delicious. Thanks for watching.